We've got some Luxaire air conditioners. I've driven by these units. Well, I've been in a car driving by these units for a couple of years now, and I'm finally getting to film them. It looks like it has a benchmark recip. (2013) 4-ton. Yeah, it's oh, actually no, it's a Bristol. That does not look like a benchmark. Bristol. Looks more like a benchmark. Probably the same thing. I think because Benchmark owns Bristol or something like that. That does not look good. Those micro channel. Yeah, that does not look good. I don't know how that could have happened. Same compressor. 2013 4-ton, same thing. Autofocus, damn it. Yeah, not much to say. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.